English reading practice. So let's do it. One day, a fox became very hungry as he went to search for some food. He searched high and low, but couldn't find something that he could eat. Finally, as his stomach rumbled, he stumbled upon a farmer's wall. At the top of the wall, he saw the biggest, juiciest grapes he'd ever seen. They had a rich purple color, telling the fox they were ready to be eaten. To reach the grapes, the fox had to jump high in the air. As he jumped, he opened his mouth to catch the grapes, but he missed. The fox tried again, but missed yet again. He tried a few more times, but kept failing. Finally, the fox decided it was time to give up and go home. While he walked away, he muttered, I am sure, or I am, constructed from I am sure the grapes are sour anyway. Sour, this word real pronunciation is sour anyway. So thank you so much. Subscribe my YouTube channel and like, comment and share the video with your friends and family members. Thank you so much. See you again next video.